Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. "2025, the all-new Cadillac CT6. Cadillac made the announcement that their flagship sedan, the CT6, will be returning for the 2025 model year. This comeback has been much anticipated. This time around, the CT6 receives a comprehensive redesign, which includes the introduction of a brand new electric drivetrain, as well as an emphasis on providing luxurious comfort and cutting-edge technology. Performance of electricity. However, Cadillac has confirmed that the 2025 CT6 will be available with a powerful electric powertrain, which suggests that it will have a range that is greater than 300 miles on a single charge. Cadillac has not disclosed any specifics regarding this matter. The electrification of this vehicle is in line with Cadillac's goal to a future that is all-electric by the year 2030. Initial speculations indicate that there may be numerous battery pack alternatives available, which would cater to drivers that favor either performance or range. Luxury with a tech skill. A brand new level of sophistication is anticipated to be seen within the cabin of the 2025 CT6. You can anticipate a cockpit that is centered on the driver and features a big panoramic infotainment display, as well as a digital instrument cluster that can be customized. Additionally, there are rumors that advanced driver assistance systems, which may include capabilities for semi-autonomous highway driving, will be included in the program. Legacy of luxuriousness. While Cadillac acknowledges the importance of technology and electrification, the company guarantees that the CT6 will continue to prioritize handcrafted luxury. A tranquil driving experience is guaranteed by features such as massaging seats and enhanced noise cancellation, which are among the premium materials that are likely to be used throughout the cabin. Leather and wood accents are also expected to be used. It is anticipated that formal details, including its pricing and horsepower estimates, will be disclosed closer to the official debut date of the 2025 CT6. On the other hand, there is one thing that can be said with absolute certainty. The Cadillac CT6 has returned, and it intends to retake its position as the queen of electric luxury cars. Automobile lovers and others who are interested in purchasing luxury automobiles are likely to be excited by this news. It is important to keep an eye out for additional updates as Cadillac continues to provide more information regarding the 2025 CT6. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.